Here's everything you need to know about concrete anchor installation guide, Tapcons versus wedge anchors. Here's what you need to know. Need to bolt something down? We explain which anchor to use for every load type. Quick answer: when comparing concrete options, consider lifespan, maintenance requirements, and total cost over 20 to 30 years, not just upfront price. Moving on to concrete anchors, choosing the right type for your project. Bolting something to concrete seems simple, but use the wrong anchor and it will fail, sometimes catastrophically. This guide explains the different anchor types, when to use each, and how to install them correctly so your installations actually hold. Next up, understanding load types. Before choosing an anchor, understand what type of load you're dealing with. Shear load, force parallel to the surface, like a shelf bracket. Tension load, force pulling away from the surface, like a ceiling mount. Combined load, both shear and tension, like a TV mount. Different anchors handle different loads better. Choose wrong, and the anchor will pull out or break. Let's talk about Tapcon anchors, screw anchors. Tapcons are threaded screws that tap their own threads into concrete. They're the most common anchor for light to medium-duty applications. Here's the deal with how they work. You drill a hole slightly smaller than the Tapcon diameter. The Tapcon's threads cut into the concrete as you screw it in, creating a mechanical bond. Now let's look at advantages. Quick installation, no setting time. Removable, can be unscrewed if needed. Good for light to medium loads. No expansion, won't crack concrete. Example cost, approximately 0.50-2 plus per anchor. Moving on to disadvantages. Lower holding power than expansion anchors. Requires precise hole size. Can strip threads if over-tightened. Not ideal for heavy loads. Next up, when to use Tapcons. Light fixtures and electrical boxes. Light-duty fixtures. When you might need to remove it later. For a free quote on your project, visit localconcretecontractor.com. Thanks for watching.